Well, good morning, Yuriki. For in case you don't know, my name is Yuri, and I'm making and posting these videos for myself as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. And I started doing that for two very specific reasons. But before I get into that, people that watch my videos every day can skip immediately into 2 minutes into this video if you want to skip the intro section, or you can skip to into roughly about 5 minutes if you want to miss the intro and the evaluation of my prediction for the previous video. For anyone else watching for the first time, I basically started making these videos because I basically could not find the content that I was looking for on a Bitcoin YouTube prediction video, and I couldn't find it in a video that was 10 minutes or less. I spent hours and hours of watching Bitcoin YouTube prediction videos, subscribe to five or more channels, only to learn that the price might go up, might go down on a specific day, only to hear what was predicted last month, last year, to see in what hotel someone is staying in, what country they're on holiday in, what car they've just bought in. Sometimes, if you're lucky, you even get to see an emergency or danger entitled video. And in my view, I wanted that danger to be explained to me. Um, all of this content, in my view, creates unrealistic expectation of trading. Secondly, I want to rate myself with the accurate percentage rating of my previous video. I want to better myself as a trader with predictions of what was predicted correctly or not. I want to know what's going to happen today. I want a prediction video that will tell me in what direction the price is likely to go, not up or down. And I want to know what I should do if it does not. I want to know where to long, where to short, at what price, and I would like to make profit on a every 4 hour candle if possible, so that I can move on to my next trade. Now, Ricky, let's jump straight into your last video. That was roughly about over here, where we made the line. Price at that stage was 36,800, which was more or less there. On your video, your previous video for Friday, Yuriki, you said that you, at 7 minutes and 40 seconds into that video, you believe that the yellow line, which is over there, might provide support at 36,550. But at 8 minutes and 35 seconds into the video, you said that price currently is 36,800. You believe that the price is going to go up. So let's evaluate. Price 36,800, which was there. I said that I believe that the price is going to come down and test the yellow line for maybe support at 36,400, 36,350. The price that it came down to was 36,351. I was out with $1. And I believe that the price is going to go up, and that is exactly what happened. Price is up, and we are currently $460 more than we were at the time of when I made the video. So 100% correct on that prediction. What does that do to my prediction record in total? Yuriki, you have now made and posted 41 videos in total. 29 of them was correct, seven of them was neutral, 5 was wrong. So that basically gives me a 87.80% accuracy correct prediction ratio on the 41 videos that I've made so far. So what do I see for today? What do I expect for today? I can currently see distinctly one, two, three. I can basically distinctly see three triangles that we currently find ourselves in. Two of them I think have played out already. If we look at the yellow triangle, let me just zoom out a little bit. If we look at the yellow triangle, I expected that would have meant that the price would go down. But if it did go up, it would have basically stopped at that point over there, which was more or less exactly what happened. The price went up a little bit more, but this triangle I think has now played out. The only I think it might provide support though. It's basically played out, so I don't think it will have any more influence except for support. Second triangle, if we look at that one, we can see that one is played out already. If the price went up, it would have gone up to more or less over there, which it has done. So that one is pretty much played out as well. Only real difference that I can see that it can currently provide support. So those two is basically finished. The one that I think will have the most influence at this stage of all of the three triangles that I see is the green one. And from what I can see on that one, that green triangle at this stage is telling me that the price could go up, and it could go up to as high as 39, let's call it 39,300. So price, well, the time currently 4 minutes 34 or in the morning. I'm making these videos from the Eastern Cape of South Africa. Price is currently, let's call it 37,280. I believe that the price is gonna go up today, according to this triangle. And again, as I said, it could go up as high as 39,300. Don't exactly think that will be today though. For today, I'm pretty much expecting a trading range. I can see that on this green line over here, or this blue line, we've already tested this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and the more times the line gets tested, the more likely it is that it is going to break. So I believe that we could actually come down and test 36. Well, it's a little bit more than that. 36,450 at the bottom. That would pretty much be what I'm expecting the bottom to be for today, and the top I believe would be something in the region of 37,850. That's more or less the trading range. So I'm expecting a trading range. If we do find support on this line, again we will move up again. If I was not in a trade, which I currently am not, I have already been stopped out in a profit on one of my previous candles. Again, I'm going to short 37,850, and I'm going to long 36,450. That's my plan of action for today. If the next 4 hour candle does close, let's see what that does, and the price does go up. On this one, let me just see what will happen over there. Yeah, again, I believe that the price is gonna go up from 37 to 270 at that stage. Again, if we get a 4 hour candle close above this line, I expect it to go up. If we get one below that, I expect it to go down. Well, I expect that it would go down. So again, I'm not going to make predictions and say that the price will go up or down. I'm saying the price will go up. If the price does not go up, again, my strategy is that I add for every $100 that the price goes into the opposite direction of what I expected, I add to that position regardless of whether it's long or short. And that gives me a better chance of getting out into a small profit or a break even if it needs to. Ricky, so now with that said and done, let's have a look at your 5 golden trading rules for that you always try to keep in mind. Firstly, even before you go into any trade, Ricky, before you even press enter, uh, don't get emotional. If you're going to get emotional about a trade, do not enter. You can only prepare for what might happen, and you can only accept what you cannot change. Number two, never ever play with more than you can afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, do not enter that position. Number three, never enter a position with everything that you have at your disposal at once. Go in with intervals just in case the price does not go in the direction that you thought it would. Add to that position, whether long or short, and that just gives you a better opportunity to get out in a small profit or in a break even if it has to be. Number four, take profit as much and as soon as you can. I'll rather enter the same trade 5 times than losing everything at once. Number five, remember the higher the leverage, the higher your risk. And with that, Yuriki, trust the triangle, trade the lines, have a good day.